Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition and Congress MP, has hit out a sharp attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Operation Sindoor. Rahul Gandhi has in fact said that Narendra Modi surrendered the gains only in one call as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned. This big breaking news coming in. Rahul Gandhi also said and made a comparison with Indira Gandhi, saying Indira Gandhi did not buckle under pressure in 1971. Modi buckled under pressure in just one phone call from the American president. That's a big charge of Rahul Gandhi. Let's listen in.
बीजेपी आरएसएस वालों को अब मैं अच्छी तरह जानता हूं। इन पर थोड़ा सा दबाव डालो, थोड़ा सा धक्का मारो, डर के भाग जाते हैं ये लोग। उधर से ट्रंप ने एक इशारा किया, फोन उठाया, कहा मोदी जी क्या कर रहे हो? नरेंद्र सरेंडर। और जी हजूर करके नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने ट्रंप के इशारे का पालन किया। आपको एक समय याद होगा जब फोन कॉल नहीं आया था, 71 की लड़ाई में 7th फ्लीट आई थी, हथियार आए थे, एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर आया था। इंदिरा गांधी जी ने कहा मुझे जो करना है मैं करूंगी। ये फर्क है, इनका कैरेक्टर है। ये सारे के सारे ऐसे हैं। आजादी के समय से सरेंडर वाली चिट्ठी लिखने की आदत है।
Let me bring in BJP's Tuhin Sinha. He's the spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Sinha, thank you for speaking to us. Your reaction to what Mr. Gandhi has said, made a comparison with Indira Gandhi and said in one phone call, Prime Minister Narendra Modi surrendered the gains of Operation Sindoor.
We know for a fact that Pakistan was here, list out 8 other air pieces which have been destroyed by India, and which made very decisive, which gives a decisive win to India. I don't know what compulsion Rahul Gandhi is under to bail out Pakistan. And I am sorry, but I'll ask this direct question: is he representing the ISI in India? Because no Indian would behave in such a reckless, wretched, irresponsible manner on a day when Pakistan itself is accepting that its losses, its losses are far deeper, far graver than what the world has imagined so far. Number two, cutting the ceasefire, while government has answered the whole issue multiple times, has provided clarity, you also need to remember that Manish Tiwari has been very vocal about the fact that no third party has been involved. Manish Tiwari, who is representing India abroad as per allegation, he has categorically maintained that there was no third party mediation and that the DGMO of Pakistan called up the DGMO of India. That is how the ceasefire happened. So it seems like Salman Khurshid mentioned yesterday, it has become too burdensome for Rahul Gandhi to be able to act in national interest. And I think, while certain sections of our party may have been questioning his integrity towards the nation after today's statement, and which comes at a time when six of us...
Mr. Sinha, but then the question would be that there are two different exercises which are taking place. One, of course, like you said, the all-party delegations which are representing India, but the opposition today has also raised the demand for the special session of the parliament on this. Why doesn't the government, call for a special session and put the record straight for Mr. Rahul Gandhi and others?
Rahul Gandhi's behavior has answered the question why the government is not buying that bait. Imagine, Congress leaders coming in with a deliberate intent to make purposely misleading, malicious comparisons with Pakistan.
Okay.
That would be appealing. This is the kind of you think the question which Congress party has been asking us to answer.
Okay.
I mean, you are for a fact.
Mr. Sinha, I apologize, but there is some problem in your link, sir. We are constantly, in fact, losing your voice. But at this moment, thank you, sir, for speaking to us on this story.